In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reduce picture compression for constant contact. If your images look blurry or lose quality after upload, the best way to improve the result is to prepare each image before you add it to your constant contact library. A little setup in advance can make a big difference in how sharp and professional your email looks. Start by editing the image dimensions to the exact size you need using an external image editor. For example, if your email content area displays images at 600 pixels wide, resize the image to 600 pixels wide before uploading it. This is important because when an image is much larger than the space where it will appear, the platform may scale it down automatically. That can lead to extra compression and reduced clarity. Setting the dimensions ahead of time helps keep the image cleaner and more consistent. As you resize, make sure you are preparing the image for its final use. If it is a banner, product photo, or featured image, match the size as closely as possible to the design of your email. This also helps the file stay lighter and load faster for your audience. Next, save the image in the right format. Use JPEG for photographs or images with lots of color and detail. JPEG files are usually better for photo-based content because they keep the file size manageable while still looking good. Use PNG for graphics, logos, icons, or images with text and sharp edges. PNG is often the better choice when clarity and crisp lines matter most. After that, compress the file size so it stays under 1 megabyte. This helps the image upload more efficiently and can reduce the chance of quality issues. You can use an image compression tool to shrink the file while keeping it visually strong. The goal is to balance quality and file size, so check the image after compression to make sure it still looks clear. Once the image has been resized, saved in the correct format, and compressed to an appropriate file size, upload the optimized file to the Constant Contact library. By uploading a version that is already prepared, you give Constant Contact less work to do, which can help preserve the appearance of the image. That covers everything you need to know.